From a single site plan, AI designs a full master plan in 20 seconds. A commercial center layout, an office park master plan, a Chinese courtyard residential plan, a luxury resort hotel complex. In 20 seconds, generate an aerial view. Change the angle, generate another full set. All created with SUAPP AI plus Nano Banana Pro. Search for SUAPP AIR. Select the Customize option in the upper right corner. Set the Inspiration Redraw version to V3. Check the Inspiration Redraw option and input the following keywords. This efficiency is truly remarkable. On this basis, click Iterative Rendering. Select the creative preset description. Choose Master Plan to Aerial View. And within 30 seconds, the master plan can be transformed into an aerial effect drawing. Generate local details. One-click conversion. One-click generation of design display boards if animation effects are needed. Need animation? Open SUAPP AI. Try the new V3 animation model. Use the plan as the first frame, the aerial view as the last frame. Enter a short description. Wait 2 minutes. A high-quality growth animation. Done. Go try it now. Still not enough?